Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which is Unpacking with Mishak. So now I just want to comment about this video circulating of Bielekaya Dalinjebo, of the chief of Abatembu. So I'm so really disappointed with the guy, because you remember very well that the guy was arrested and he had no one, he had nothing, but it was only Julius Malema and the EFF who stood by him. But now it comes as a surprise that now he's campaigning for the ATM that didn't do anything when he was arrested, but the EFF called for his release. EFF supported him. They even bought him a Mercedes Benz. I think it was a 1.2 Mercedes Benz when he came out from prison, when he had nothing, no one. But now he has, the nerve to crush Julius Malema and the EFF, going as far as calling EFF leader Julius Malema a sleepwalker, saying he's been sleeping because all he has been trying was to allow, or rather give, Julius Malema an opportunity or space to mobilize something which he believes Julius Malema failed dismally to do it. So I think Dalinjebo is someone who's so ungrateful. The guy is so stupid, man. I don't know what you make of this, but here's the video that I'm talking about.
Oceba be-ANC phandle emhlabeni wabathembu. Asifuni namnye uceba we-ANC phandle. Asifuni kwa demarcation ye-ANC kude. Ngoku ekuxhuzuleni imikhala uthi umthetho. Inkosi nenkosi. Nditsho andithethi ngeentloko zenqila mna ezi zisipopayayo ngamanye amaxesha. Ndithetha ngenkosi nenkosi. Izawuba noceba we-ATM ocaniswayo. Kodwa itye emasolweni. Ze niqonde ukuba bendikhe ndayinika le offer kuJuju. uJuju ndiyabona uba wayozelela. Kuba esozela nangoku. Bakhona abantu abalala amehlo ethe qha. Andilelanga ke mna ndihleli. Ndingumalusi wabantu 24/7. Ithi ke ngoku le nto bantwana bahle. Xa ukusuka apha yazini uba laa ngada kuthiwa ngu-Oscar ndiyothuka